Hi everyone, here we've got POCO X3 Pro and let me share with you how to reset network settings on this device. So firstly we have to enter the settings and here we have to find connection and sharing. Let's tap on it. Now we have to scroll down to the very bottom actually, and here we've got the option we are looking for. So let's tap on it, and right now your device is telling you that it will reset all network settings including Wi-Fi, mobile data and Bluetooth. So if you're ready, just tap on reset settings. If you've got a pattern or pin, then enter to confirm, and your device will again ask you if you really want to do it, because that might take several seconds. What's more, you won't be able to undo this action. So just tap on OK, and let's wait a second. As you can see, the network settings have been reset successfully. We can also check it. As you can see, I'm not connected to any Wi-Fi. So it means that we just successfully reset not only Wi-Fi settings, but also Bluetooth and mobile data. So actually that's all. This is how to reset network preferences in your POCO X3 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.